Hello, here is my assessment of mock interview. My name is Yuxuau Wei, and my student's number is 5628477. So I put these 4 questions in this paper and nothing else. So I will start my interview from now. Okay. Well, the first question is that tell about yourself and why you are interested in this position. Firstly, I will introduce myself, and I'm a graduate student from the University of Wollongong, and my major is material engineering. Besides, I'm a Chinese, and my undergraduate course was in Qingdao University of Science and Technology, majoring in polymer materials and engineering. And totally, I have 2 experiments of internships. The first internship was followed by my university tutor for 4 years, for 4 months. During this period, I did some experiments related to the actual production research, most of which are material performance research and formula design. And the second internship was a factory internship, and the company named Jinyu Tide Company for a period of 2 months. Most of the experience I worked is related to tire production and some rubber produce, and sometimes participants in material performance testing. Then, the reason why I'm interested in your position is I think I'm very suitable for what you advertised. My skill in material research and creativity through studying my Master of Engineering are especially relevant to this position. Besides, it's always my passion to cooperate with others in a team and strong communication skills. What's more, I have strong ability to handle complex situations. So, as for the next question, please provide an example of where you have built motivation and cooperation with a team. Well, let me think. It's in my second experience of internship. I worked with my colleague in Jinyu Tire Company for testing. And when the project was offered, the boss asked us to finish it in 3 days. And everyone was assigned the test that will need to be done. My task is to test the stress of materials, but when I went to the test it, we found that we are only provided 1 device. However, 3 of us had to queue up, Later, I decided I have a good idea, and I decided that 3 of us can work together to complete all the tests, and everyone just needs to focus on one aspect. Therefore, the task of our 3 are followed. The first task is to prepare and provide experimental materials. The second task is to just do these experiments, and the last task is to record the data. And finally, with our cooperates, 3 of us gather data and the results we want. The project, which was planned in 3 days, we just settled in less than 2 days. Yes, as you can see, it was very efficiency, And as for the third question, have you ever encountered a problem which required you to come up with a particular creative solution? Please describe the situation and your solution. Yes, I remember one that is in my first experience of internship. I was working in my tutor in the lab to make experimental project to study a special rubber design. Our plan has confirmed the raw materials that we need to use. At that time, no matter how mixed it was, it couldn't meet the requirement set. So we have the idea of changing the raw materials. However, after the detailed calculation, I think it may be a technical problem, but it has nothing to do with raw materials. So as a result, I have consulted a large number of documents, and then I found the answer, and I communicated with my tutor, and my tutor agreed on my idea. Finally, I creatively thought of a different processing method that was different from the traditional way and solved the problem easily. And then finally, we also successfully complete the test. So as for the last question, do you have any question for us? Yes, I have lots of questions, but today I just want to mention 3 of them. First of all, I'm very fond in sports. I play basketball very well. So I want to know if your company have a basketball game after work or on weekends. Yes, it's very good for my health. And then I want to ask, I'm a master of management time and task in work. So I want to know if I would have a lot of urgent task to do in a short time, because I want to divide my time, very normally. So it's very important. And finally, I have mentioned I have a very high skill in testing, just testing some performance of materials and the formula, and a lot of experiments I can do it well. So I hope I can play my part. I want to do this job very well, and I would like to know if the company often has such testing task. It's also very important for me. And that's my 3 questions. So here is my interview. Thank you for watching.